Hello and welcome to another riding video. Cold. Today we are looking at two custom Harleys. Tom's cold. First up is this. We called this the Moose Project because Thomas was the one that was building it, and he always wanted to build a custom Harley, and this was his opportunity. And now he's taking it out for a test ride for the very first time. Sounds good, mate. The crash helmet's a bit dirty. This is a 1200 5-speed Sportster engine with a hardtail frame conversion. Tom spent about a month building this bike, and it's not the nicest of days riding a freshly built Harley Davidson. It's kind of wet, but it's doing the job. I think Tom spent about 6 hours cleaning his bike after this road test. Hardtails are surprisingly comfortable. It's quite funny seeing them bounce over all the bumps on a country lane like this. And it is kind of strange having your feet in front of you rather than below you or behind you. It don't take long to get used to. Got the drone in the sky as well for this road test. See if we can get any decent shots with it. It's kind of hard to use this and film on a Canon camera at the same time. Looking good, dude. This was filmed way before the COVID-19 outbreak, but Tom's got a mask on, ready. Somehow he must have known about it before the rest of us. Oh, all that dirt hitting his bike. Remember Tom saying at this bit, I don't think I put any fuel in it. I only put like 2 litres. I was like, oh, it'll be fine. The second bike is this. It's a very similar frame hardtail conversion. It's done in the same jig. Similar motor setup as well, but Hot Rod Tom made a set of custom pipes for this one, and you can actually tell that it's a different set of pipes just by the sound. The old man's riding this. I believe he sold this bike now, actually. This is a very bumpy road. see how the hardtail deals with it. I like how the exhaust is blowing his hat out the way of the heat. I believe his hat gets stuck in the rear wheel of this bike at some point as well. I don't think I caught it on camera. Tom is filming this in the boot of a Golf on a DJI gimbal and a Canon 70D camera. Dad's pointing at where he crashed another Harley, which we did get on camera, and it's in one of the episodes in season 3. Dad?
I tried to flyby.
I like both these bikes for different reasons. And in case you're wondering, or if you haven't seen the series yet, you can watch both of these bikes being fully rebuilt. I'll post the links to those videos below.
Got the weatherman in the back, keeping an eye on my driving.
And holding the boot up so they don't smack me in the face.
Yeah. I didn't realise this Golf had a massage setting.
You want the slow or vigorous?
Slow
You
or
want
vigorous?
happy ending?
It's vigorous and then fast.
Please subscribe to the Parry Brothers YouTube channel. We have videos coming out hopefully every week. Well, we try to anyway.